All right, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to start a Pinterest account for your business. Hi, my name is Sarah Lawyer, mompreneur, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a successful Pinterest account for your business that will increase your engagement and sales. There's been a lot of confusion about what works on Pinterest, so if you're still not sure, come see me. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. First of all, to get an account on Pinterest, you need to create an account, right? So let's go over how to create your business Pinterest account right now. So you type in business.pinterest.com, and we're going to go ahead and hit sign up. What you do is you grab your email. You create a password. And you add the age. Hit create account. Oh, it would help if I put the right email address in there. There you go. Now you're going to create and build your profile. Now, if you've already done, if you're converting from a personal account, it may already have a profile in there. But for right now, business-wise, it's not going to have it. Profile name, we're going to do pinning for business. Do you have a website? And I would highly suggest, if you do not have a website, make sure you get a website. I actually have a whole course on how to create and how to customize your website using Wix that you can get access to down below. All right, so do you have a website? No, not right now. Or yes, enter in your URL. We're just going to hit no, and then we're going to keep going. So what's the focus of your brand? You got to choose. If you are in the beauty, fashion, home, education, whatever it may be, we're going to put actually other because it's a business related. We're going to add my brand focus for Pinterest for business. What are your 3 goals? You want to sell more products, you want to drive traffic to your site, go ahead and choose what is relevant to your goals. Now describe your business. Get customized recommendations based on your details. So basically you're going to say, I am a blogger, or I'm not sure. You can always put I'm not sure and choose what you are later. Hit done. Going to give us a nice little celebration there. And now you're going to say, okay, do you want to start sharing ideas? You want to grow your audience? What do you want to do? Let's go ahead and build our profile. I want to walk you through how to build your profile. So right here, this is where you can change your profile photo. So it's simply choose a photo and it'll allow you to download from your computer. Okay. You're putting your name. Now, this name is not limited to characters. So if you want to write a whole paragraph about your business as your name, you can. I wouldn't suggest it. I would definitely keep it branded to your name. So I'm actually going to put my name in here because I want people to still find me. And then just put this line here, pinning for business, so that they know that it is a separation for those who come visiting your profile. About section. Tell people what it is that you're going to help them with. So be specific. Make sure that it's something that is clear and concise. If you're not sure how to do this, I'm going to actually put a link into down below for a book called Building a Story Brand. I'm going to actually show you. I don't have the cover on it anymore. So this is what it is. Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. I'll put the link in there. It is very valuable for business owners. If you're not sure exactly what your website should look like, who it is that you're trying to provide services to, and also figuring out what your business is all about. So definitely recommend it. And then once you have that figured out, put it in here on your about section. Website. For Pinterest, you need a website. Every time that you put up a pin, you want to have that pin go somewhere. So whether it be an affiliate link, a YouTube video, a blog post, a capture page, you need to have some kind of link. So definitely and have a website for your Pinterest account. Once you have your website, we're going to then go into this claim section, and I'll kind of walk you through how to do that. The next start, choose your username. This is your handle. Okay, so if you have, for example, an Instagram handle, Pinning for Business, or Sarah Mompreneur, Sarah Lawyer, those are handles. So that's your username. Then fill in the rest of the information, hit save. And that, my friends, is how you set up your business account for success. I want to share one more thing. Pinterest is all about search. It's a visual search engine. It is the third largest search engine in the world. We've got Google, we've got YouTube. Welcome to my channel, so make sure you hit subscribe. And you have Pinterest, Pinterest Strategist. I help clients I actually manage their Pinterest account, or I teach you how to do it yourself. Now, I'm going to give those two options down below in the description. So if you're a well-established business and you're looking for someone to help you grow your visibility and influence using Pinterest, let's chat. I actually have a whole form that you can fill out to apply to see if it's going to be a good fit for your business. 2, you're just starting out. You maybe don't have a website yet and you're like, but I see the value. Pinterest is where I want to be. Whether you've used Pinterest personally and now you're seeing the value of Pinterest as a business, this is where you want to land. Okay, so right now, my Pinterest business course is actually in its early release stages. So go ahead, click the link to watch my Pinterest masterclass, where you can get access then to my Pinterest course. It is early release. That means it's not yet available, but once it is available, it's going to be chock full of so much value that you are going to be so glad that you got the early bird pricing. I've got some great bonuses included just to kind of get things rolling, so that while you're waiting, it should be ready actually by October. I'm going to be launching it October 2021. So if you're watching the replay and you're like, oh no, did I miss out on the early bird pricing? If it is still in 2021, you might still be in luck. So go ahead and check that out. All right, so that is it for today. Again, make sure you hit subscribe if you've got some great value on how to set up your Pinterest business account. Talk to you guys later.